Hello guys, today I'll be playing RRF. No, it's not actually called that. I just don't want to say the full name because it's way too hard to say. It's like a tongue twister. Anyway, start the level. And this is for Christmas. So, merry early Christmas, everybody. Sorry if I've been out for a little while. It's just been a while. Oh. That's definitely hot cocoa, not gasoline. Sorry if I haven't been online for a little while. It's just like school and stuff is happening at my place and stuff like that. So yeah, that's why I just haven't been online lately. I'm sorry about that, but I'll try to post more often. And yes, I am playing as Dora costume because it's one of my favorite costumes. I mean, I already know it's been like 10 days since I last posted, but still. Someday when I get older, I plan on making a clothing shop, although not right now once again because, well, yeah, I plan on making hats and stuff. So, yeah. And also I plan on having a Discord in the future since, you know, I'm literally 12 years old right now, so, or, yeah, 12 years old. So, yeah. Some other videos I plan on making is about the Spamton Fun Pack video I was going to make. But I decided to spend some of my free money since my mom decided to pay for it. Not me, but I plan on getting the Spamton Fun Pack. But for right now, I'm just going to save up my money until I get Anton Blast. And yes, I haven't got that game yet, but I plan on getting it in the future. And I plan on making a video on it. Bruh. Keep getting hit. And no, this is not a mod. I'm actually using the costume. And also, the reason why I was not going to download Pizza Tower mods for, well, my Switch. First of all, I do not know how to mod, or heck, even put in the mods in the games after all. I always thought you would just, like, take the mod, or download it, take the mod, and then put it in the game, like, you know, with your mouse or whatever. But it's way more difficult than that, honestly. And I'm afraid I'm going to get a virus, so I'm not really going to do it. Sorry if my camera's kind of blurry, I don't know why it's doing that. I found you, figure. And this I'm talking during gameplay because I don't know, I think it's good or fun or whatever. And yes, I am doing lap 2 for this. Aha, look at me, Torte Pizza. I'm skipping the whole level. Good lord. Yeah, buddy. Gosh darn it. There we go. As Sonic says, I found you, faker. Gosh darn it. There we go. And yes, I don't want to curse my videos. No of these videos are not for kids because they do include some, let me just say, some bad stuff in it. So I'm just not going to, that's why all my videos are not for kids. And not for kids only. I still censor my curse because I honestly don't want to get in trouble with YouTube like, hey Scooter, you cursed in one of your videos. Replace that, please. I ain't doing all that work again. And yes, I do work and make videos pretty fast with CapCut mostly, but still. And honestly, I don't know why, but I kind of don't like this song. I like Worldwide Noise way better. It's like, sounds really good. I still like this song more so though. I mean, hey, at least the jetpack's very useful. And yes, I'm using the Doys costume, so I don't know why. I just kind of like the Doys. He says, hey, I don't know. Good lord. Oh man, I went the wrong way. There we go. And yes, I do plan on making a holiday bash like I did for my birthday of Christmas gifts that I got. So I will be doing that once it hits Christmas. I will make a community post saying Merry Christmas, but for right now, it's not even Christmas yet, so I'm just going to wait until at least the 24th, because that's when I'm going to get my Christmas, because I'm going to have 2 Christmases. Alright, skip the door. I want the door. We're going to Lap Portal. I'm not going to let the cow drink. Or not, I guess. Alright, let's go. Time for the banger music. 1, 2, 3. This is my first song out of the soundtrack. I don't know why it sounds really good. Woo! Bruh. Oh, good gracious. This is gonna be harder than I thought. But hey, at least I got my jetpack. That's something. Oh, gosh darn it. He's like, see his dead body. Oh, God. 40 seconds. I'll try to run. Come on, Noise It. At least help me. Now point me in the right direction. So I already know where it is. Oh, great heavens. Like I said, my favorite part of the Worldwide Noise is the beginning with the din-din-din-din-din-din. I don't know why I always love that part though. It sounds so chaotic. I always love chaotic music. No, not mentally illness or something like that. No, I just like the music. Oh no! Oh no, he's right there. Oh good gracious. Run. Oh goodness gracious. The show must go on, as Mettaton says. Yes! Got your pizza face. See what rank I got. I prefer an SMP. Bruh, the voice. I literally tried my bit. Acceptable. Alright, and you. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye!